Troy Bilt Mustang 50 versus storm drain. Let's go ahead and lower the deck down. Oh yeah, that looks like some carnage. My son was kind of bebopping along there, going over the storm drain. I think he was bebopping along a little too fast. So amazingly, that's the other thing. I don't know how it laid the spindle. The blade's laid up forward. I figured it would have been laid back the way he was going, but we'll pull her apart and see what we got here. Well, let's try this again with a swivel. Clean up. Mosquitoes are all over me. Belt off the back. There we go. So it's got plenty of slack. Drag her in. The real question is, did the deck survive and it just broke the spindle, or did it bend up the deck real bad too? Let's flip her over. Seem okay. That one's wedged in there, something good. Get some tools ready. Put the impact to the test. Broke that one off. One came out. Pretty well loose. Let's see if I can find big enough to knock the blade loose. Spot on. What a mess. Still kind of turns. Not real smoothly, but that one there almost kind of looks like it's been broke for a while. That one's fresh. That one's fresh. Yeah, 3 fresh and 1 broke for a while. Pulley looks decent. The deck, on the other hand, I am pretty certain is bent. Pretty sure that's high. That looks low. Let's see here. Do we have something flat we can put across there? That isn't too big. 2x4 will probably work. I don't know, it may be okay-ish. I don't know, that hole there looks pretty tweaked up. That one's pushed down, that one's pushed up. This one's laid over a little bit. Don't know. Let's see here. Down at eye level. Turn it over. Well, I got it out here and I took a hammer and a punch and I kind of hammered to try to flatten a few things out, and I started noticing this spindle here didn't look great either. It's got a chunk missing out of the side of it right here. So yeah, set you down for a second. There we go. Have to edit that out, but yep, it's missing a chunk. And of course, one side's broke. And this was a new spindle that had already been replaced from another time years ago when the deck hit the culvert pipe. Granted, that time, it was one of the wife's first time using the zero turn. And there's a little bit of a down slope into the ditch up here. And the top wheel kind of skidded, and it just kind of kept, she was trying to slow down and stop, but it just skidded and kept on down into the ditch there and smoked that corner spindle. And bent that part of the deck up real bad. I was able to straighten it out. This one, the center's got a little more reinforcing in it, so I think it's going to be in better shape. But still going to probably end up with blades at 3 different heights, maybe. I don't know. I'll see what a spindle costs, see if it's even worth rebuilding. Have a little fun with the old piece of junk. It's actually not a horrible mower, but it's just not really well built. The throttle cable actually doesn't even work anymore, so it's just kind of idled up. And the deck is not this mower's fault. That's one of the operators. And tires are getting in rough shape. But for a cheap mower, when I say cheap, I got it sub $500, not working. Put a little work into it. Good to go. Now I guess we'll see if we can go find some parts to fix this deck. See if I can buy another spindle.